We've been traveling the world for a full year as digital nomads. For a full year, we've been living out of a suitcase, being in a different country every month, and finding the best spots to work in the week. Because we work full time. Come join us on our second year of travels. This year, we are doing Asia. You can watch our previous year for the Europe adventures. But first, a 24-hour layover in Doha Qatar, where we go to the desert to ride camels 4x4 on the dunes, sandboarding and the beach. We also show you what the Maha lounge looks like in Doha airport. It's Thursday, we don't usually fly on Thursdays, but the ticket was significantly, I want to say more affordable, it was still not affordable, significantly cheaper. So we're flying on a Thursday night, take tomorrow off, so we've literally got to the airport at 3 and just sitting working. I have barely eaten anything in the lounge.
Very good salad. And I got some mixed veggies. It has like a little saucy on top. It's really good. And I got a chicken korma.
We got the new GoPro because the old GoPro was being funny because it's quite old, and this one comes with like, you can add a MediaMod that has a mic. I don't know what this sounds like. We will find out when we look at the footage. So hoping it's a bit better. Camera with a gimbal is quite a mission and people stare at you. So hoping this one will work better. No idea what it sounds like. But yeah, it's dark in Cape Town and it has a front screen so I can actually see what I'm recording, which is so nice.
You're happy now?
Yes.
It's full.
I know. And it's a full flight, so I don't think we're going to be able to sleep. We haven't really slept because the flight was completely full. I don't even think I didn't see an open seat. It was so full. The airport is so full. Did you have a nice flight?
No.
Why?
She was all grumples.
Who?
The flight attendant.
Why? What did she do?
I don't know, she was just very hostile.
She was angry. She was like...
She was angry at someone.
Everything just got so quiet. Like everybody just left. I think it was like the morning rush or something. So there's a cute little circle where there's like these 2 couches with a pillow. So I'm gonna sleep here. As you can see, I've already completely taken over the space. But I'm gonna sleep here. Last time we were in the Oryx lounge, and we went to the Oryx lounge and they said no, we have to go to the Maha lounge. The Maha lounge is definitely nicer than the Oryx lounge. I really do like this lounge more, so I'm glad we came in. I hope after the tuning that they will let us back in again, because it would be really nice to shower before another 8-hour flight. The Oryx lounge had a lot more food. Yeah, I don't know where the food is. There's like a really nice coffee station and drink station, but I don't know where the food is. The lounges in Qatar is quite average. The ones that we can go to. I think, yeah, if you're like business class and first class and like gold or platinum member or whatever, then I think you can go to really nice lounges. So you're going to try and sleep on this couch for about an hour before getting some food and then heading out for the day. That light is shining on me. Then it was time to head to the desert. You can watch one of our previous videos on what you need to leave the airport and to get into the lounges. It's linked in the description below. So we made it out, we're just waiting for the guy. You excited?
Fine.
So last time we were here, we went on a city tour. And this time we're going to the dunes. We're riding a camel, we're going sandboarding, we're going to the border of Saudi Arabia. We're looking at some traditional tents. Yeah, very excited.
Good.
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 Thank you. Okay. It's the best thing when you're in a different country to go into the shop, like the country you haven't been to, and like look at all the sweets and goodies that they have. He was saying people stay for like 6 months in the desert, or they go camping on weekends. Like they set up their tents and stuff for 6 months, and then every weekend they go. Having our first Qtari tea, and
very good. Sweet.
Sweet. Then it was time for the first adventure. Riding a camel for the first time. Are you having fun?
What's yours name? You don't know, you didn't even meet it first.
I don't know if it's a female or male. Let's call it.
This is Shahim. This is Shahim.
Shahim.
I think it's Shahim. Did I say it right? Shahim.
Shahin, yeah.
Shahim.
It's quite funny, the movement. I didn't think it would be so like. I feel like this, eh? It's quite a.
Yeah.
It feels very different to a horse. It's more wobbly, but it's also like a lot. They have a lot to their size.
They're cuties though.
Like 80 rand for 5 minutes and 200 rand for 15 minutes.
The difference is the one goes up the dune, which is nice. The
Yeah.
one isn't. But we just didn't have enough cash on us to bring cash.
Bring cash and do the 15-minute
Look
one.
at these ones. They're going off somewhere.
Oh, he was saying that it's 8 rand per litre for petrol.
It's cheaper than water.
It's cheaper than water.
It's 8 rand for a little bottle of water, which is 330 mils. And then it's 8 rand a litre or something.
It's insane. We are paying 22 rand per litre in South Africa at the moment, and I think some other countries are paying even more. Oh, Momo. Hello. It's ponies. A reminder that for every new subscriber year, we feed a stray animal. You can also visit the link on the screen. Thank you for helping. And then it was time for 4x4ing on the dunes and sandboarding.
There we go! Woo!
Do I want some sand? Oh, it's cool, man. Ew. We headed to the border of Saudi Arabia and had the coolest guy.
Who's driving?
Where did you come from?
Who's the driver? Where's he? Where's he?
Video.
Enjoy. Thank you. Don't get wet.
My face is full of sand. It was awesome, but we are dead tired. Fell asleep in the car on the way back. Haven't slept last night, and we didn't sleep much in the week either. But it was so cool. We went to the beach, and when I came back, there was like a lot of oil on my feet and my hands. I don't know if there's like an oil leakage in the ocean because, yeah, I got stained with oil. The soup is so good. So good. Funny how different the life is. It's a very different life. Like the guy was saying, like if you're a Qtari, you get medical, education, water, electricity, everything. You get basically everything for free. And if you don't have a job, they also give you money. And if you do a job, you get paid 4 or 5 more time than what anybody else would. And it's like almost impossible to get citizenship if you're not Qatari, even if you get born here. Only if you're a Qatari and your kids are born here, they can be Qataris. But you have to like win a gold medal at the Olympics or something to be able to. Super tired. Our flight is delayed by an hour. So it's a 31-hour travel day and 15 minutes. So the internet here is very good. You can use it like all day for free.
All your devices.
Yeah. After 25 hours of being awake, 25 hours of traveling. Lots of different food, adventuring, and a shower on our way.
Yeah, list of number of plane tickets, number of showers at airports.
Yeah. The amount of shower airports we've done these days. Looks like a nice and empty flight. I have a row to myself. John has a row to himself. I'm gonna sleep. Watch the next video as we land in Asia for the first time. Our first impressions on this side of the world and Phuket, Thailand. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.